Okay, we have the 7-mile bridge coming, and diesel is $3.28 and gas is $3.18, and expect to spend about $4 for your boat gas. We're going to see Pigeon Key first, and then we're going to see the 7-mile bridge. Speed limit through here is 35. There's the Pigeon Key Express. So you park down there and you ride the little choo-choo train out to Pigeon Key. Or you park up here in the parking lot and walk 4 miles. I believe that's how far it is. You guys should open up a bicycle rental store right here in the parking lot. You see how many times you can rent bicycles in one day. I just had a stroke of genius. And we're about to head into a monsoon. 7-mile bridge. There's the old bridge. That's nice. We got a monsoon about halfway down the bridge. Yeah, so much for my video.
See it over there.
Oh, I know, the monsoon's coming. Can't even see the hill on the bridge. Such a monsoon. Yeah.
You can see where it stops at the old
I
bridge.
know it is coming. Mile 46.
Watch your speed limit.
Comes the rain. About to be in the monsoon. And pretty
We don't have
much.
monsoons down there.
Yeah, we do. What?
We don't.
This is monsoon coming. Maybe I'll leave it run.
This is just your typical Florida showers.
Yeah, it's going to be a miserable video because of the rain drop.
It's alright. People,
There's
I
Pigeon
mean,
Key.
can't always have a sunshiny video.
Look, there's Pigeon Key. cut the tree